your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons speak with such a screech. You'll shake and shudder in surprise when you hear these zombies shriek. With your sorry skeletons, you're so misunderstood. You only want to socialize. I don't think we should. A spooky, scary skeleton shouts, startling, shrilly screams. They'll sneak under sarcophagus and just won't leave you be.